In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT blank screen 2026 full guide. If you open ChatGPT and all you see is a blank page or an access denied message, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. We'll start with the fastest resets, then move into Android and iOS cleanups, and finish with network checks and a final status confirmation. First, do a quick reset. Sign out of your ChatGPT account by tapping your profile icon and choosing Sign Out. Then sign back in. If you originally used a different email provider, try signing in with your Google account this time. Next, refresh your network. Toggle from Wi-Fi to cellular data or the other way around. This helps if your current IP address was temporarily flagged by OpenAI's security systems. Also, compare the app to the web experience. Open a mobile or desktop browser and go to chat.openai.com. If the browser works but the app doesn't, you're dealing with an app-specific issue. On Android, if access denied persists or the app won't load, clear the app's cache and, if needed, its data. Press and hold the ChatGPT app icon, tap the information I, go to storage, and tap clear cache. If that doesn't help, tap clear data. This will sign you out and reset app settings, but it won't delete your saved conversations on the server, so your chat history is safe once you sign back in. On iPhone or iPad, offload the app to refresh its core files without touching your personal content. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, find ChatGPT, and tap Offload App. When it finishes, tap Reinstall App from the same screen. This forces a clean rebuild of the app components that often resolves the blank screen. Now check your network and VPN settings. Disable any active VPN or proxy. OpenAI frequently blocks known VPN IPs to prevent automated traffic, and that can trigger access denied. If your device or security suite uses secured DNS or Web Protect feature, turn it off temporarily to rule out DNS filtering issues. Also, confirm your device's date and time are set to set automatically. Incorrect time can break secure authentication and cause loading failures. If none of that works, verify it isn't on OpenAI's side. Visit status.openai.com to check for an active outage. As a final test, open ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. If it loads there, a browser extension or cookie is causing the problem in your regular session. That's it. Most access errors are just temporary security flags solved by a quick sign out, a network switch,